Alright, so now that we have a template for creating iPhones, let's go ahead and create two iPhones, i.e. two objects. So what I'm going to do is press Command and then 1, and I'm going to open the classes class right here. You can name this whatever you want, but this has my main method. So now to create an object, we have to do this. So simply go ahead and say iPhone, and then here give it a name. So this will be my current phone, right? So my one is iPhone and then 7, right? So this is my iPhone, well, actually 7 Plus, right? So this is my phone, iPhone 7 Plus equals to, and then new, and then iPhone, just like that. Now I'm going to end this with semicolon. So now we have this iPhone right here. Now let's go ahead and try and use the actual behaviors that we've defined inside of our iPhone, right? So let me simply say south and then iPhone 7 Plus dot get model. Let me duplicate this, get price, and then is water resistant. There we go, right? So what we're doing is simply invoking the behaviors of our iPhone. And now, so you see that this iPhone class was the actual template, and now we have the actual object, so the actual thing, right? So if you want to create another phone, you can simply reuse the exact same class, right? The exact same template for building another phone, right? So what I want to show you here is the following. So if I run this, there we go. If I show you something, so here you see that get model, it's null, and you're going to learn about null values later. And then you have price 0, and then is water resistant false, right? So we have a phone, but we haven't set the attributes, right? Because we need to tell that this is actually the iPhone 7 Plus, and then the actual price, and then whether it is water resistant, right? So we haven't told this object those values. So to do it, remember, we have the set methods, right? So here, let me simply go ahead and simply say iPhone 7 Plus, and let me collapse this, and then dot, and then set model, and then this will be 7 and then plus, and let's also set the actual price. So I think right now this is about £200. It's quite old phone, so £200, and it shouldn't be get price, should be set price. So set price, and finally whether it is water resistant. So this phone, so my current phone is not, so iPhone 7 Plus dot set, and then water resistant, and here simply say false. So now we actually defined what the actual iPhone looks like. So if I now run, there we go. So now you can see that we actually have 7 Plus, 200, and then false. And there you have it. So this is how you create an object based off a class, right? So this is now the actual real thing. So if you want another class, so let's say you want the 8 Plus, right? So 8 Plus, and if you want to, let's say that you want to actually, let's simply say iPhone X Max. So this will be the latest one, right? So I think it's 8 Max. I can't even remember which one is the latest iPhone, but you get the gist. So right here, let me just paste that, and here I'm going to change that to Max, and then here, so I think it's S Max or X Max. I'm not even entirely sure, to be honest. These phones, they keep on changing and new models coming in and so on and so forth. It's just really difficult to keep up with technologies these days. But here, this is X and then Max, just like that. And then the price for this may be, I don't know, maybe 1300, right? And then this should be like that, and I think this is true, right? Now let me simply say south and then x max. Oops, I think it's x max. I'm not even entirely sure. So here let me simply say 7 plus, right? So if I run this, we have the S max, but we're not printing the actual values. So here, let me just grab all of this. And then here, let me simply paste that and then change that to max, just like that. Run it. And there you have it. So you can see that, let me actually have another space there. Run it. And there we go, right? So X max, and then you can see all the details. So this is the actual model, this is the actual price, and it is water resistant. For 7 plus, you can see the model, price, and it's not water resistant. So there you have it. You now created 2 iPhones right here, and you can see that we are reusing the same class, right? And these are the actual objects. So this is what an object is. Next, let me go in and teach you about constructors.